don't know if I should just order them or if the kids like them. Well, the kids saw them or you just... No, they saw them. They picked them, I didn't.
Okay.
Go Red! I just wonder if Angel was doing that.
Good, Parker, good.
Go Peter!
I think Peter's playing with
Good job. Come on, Andrew! Go! Stay with it!
2 days ago.
You listen to it that much?
No.
Go get it, Red!
Should have let it go
Go,
out.
Red!
You should have let it go
Go,
out.
Nick! Somebody get center! Come on, go on! Go, Way to go!
Good job, guys.
The number 5. Who's gonna kick them? You're funny.
You're just serious. Okay, go on! Go, Go! Go get it, Andrew! Not so far ahead.
He loses.
Get it, Parker!
He doesn't try to do it.
Get it, Parker! Yes!
Hey.
Keep going, Red!
Call that yes. And then
Come on!
I can
Yours.
one.
There you go. Get it over there. Go, Red! Go, Andrew!
Go, Peter.
Come on, Red!
My guy's mine.
Red, go! Go! Nice try. Get it.
Yes! Oh man, it went out again.
That's it. Put the pressure on.
Get it, Patrick.
Come on, Red. Get it. Get him, Adam. Yeah. Go, Patrick. Good job. How are you? Pay attention, Andrew.
Who is that?
Good, but nobody there. Come on, Red. There you go.
Come on, Peter. Good job.
Oh,
Good
well.
job.
I know it. Come on, good job.
Get ready, Parker. Get it, Parker. Get it.
Hello.
Oh. Good job.
Yeah, just
Good job, Parker.
Yeah. I hate when that happens. Oh.
Come on, get it.
Get over there.
Go,
Adam, go!
Get him!
Go! Get up there.
You boys.
Did you see that?
Did you see that?
1-1.
Dropped the ball before he got in there. It was the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen.
Go, Andrew. Now, I don't know what you work, but I'm sure you can make arrangements in Chicago on the weekend of the 17th, 18th of October. Okay. These folks are there now, and they will be there this weekend, next weekend, and then I want to get the weekend break, and then Are you going up Friday after work, or
No,
Friday
probably.
during the day?
I think Friday after.
Oh, okay.
And come home, be there Sunday night on.
have to work anymore on Saturday.
Okay, so that's
This was the only one. It's always Friday or Wednesday mornings now.
Okay.
Get it, Parker.
Yeah,
Good job. Good job, Parker. Come on, Get it.
Go, Peter!
Good on it. All right.
Defense, Alex!
Go, Patrick! Come on, Red!
Come on, Alex! Defense, bud!
Good. How are you? Hi. Good to see you. How's it going?
It's going pretty well. How about you?
Shut up, Red! Shut up, Red!
Hi, how are you girls doing? We're doing good.
But,
Defense, guys!
oh, I didn't go to kids camp. Yeah. They had a great time.
No.
Okay.
Balls like that. Good job.
Down, Red! Get it up! Come on! Get it up!
I've been waiting for you to get here.
Don't get it! Okay! Get going!
Yeah, they went to Disney World.
Come on, Alex! Take it down!
Right down there. Andrew says,
Go on, Red! Come on!
he looks like They went. Yeah, that's funny. Call the ball back.
Go get it, Red!
That's a computer.
Come on, help him! Go, Andrew!
All right, Peter, first goal already.
Go!
Oh, no, it's 1-0 right now. No, it's 1-1.
Oh, they got one?
Okay, it's 1-1. Yeah.
Because I saw him get it out.
Yes, they did.
Here.
Oh! You're mean. You can't keep her cell phone. Oh, no, sorry, actually. Anything like that. What?
Smaller, bigger baskets. Funny you say that. Next. I'm sure we can. Actually, Mary and I are going to meet next week. I got some stuff. We probably could for our city. Okay, well, so if I could look at those, that would be awesome. Yeah. That would be perfect. How many do you want? Like 7. That would be great. Yeah, they're just left over. Perfect. Aren't you thinking? Play on the park.
Come on, Alex! Jump down! Jump down! There you go!
Terry. Hey, are you out here by yourself? Who's that little kid that's
Real quick, Alex!
There you go.
Come on, Jake, get to that ball! Get to that ball! Get it, Alex! Hey, Alex, you ready for defense?
Like you didn't know how things are going to unfold.
You're back, Alex! You're back!
Terry.
Okay.
It's so good to see you. How you doing?
Get it,
Great.
There you go, buddy.
I gotta get back in my camera.